good.
Hello, I have my Grinch hat on. You know what that means? The holiday season is officially open and I love it. So I put a few pictures in. I was decorating the DreamPower Horsemanship barn yesterday with a few friends, and we had a good time. This is Thanksgiving weekend. We had a good meal on Thanksgiving. We had the whole plant-based sides here in the kitchen, and my husband and his stepson made deep-fried a tiny little turkey for them, but we had our whole plant-based stuff and it was all good. So today I'm not cooking a lot because we have so many sides to eat still. What we ran out of was the gravy, so I'm showing you this awesome gravy I made for my sides. I mean, this gravy, the stuffing, and the mashed potatoes and the roasted Brussels sprouts. It was so good. So I show you. I found that gravy on Chuck Underwood's Facebook, I think. And it's his gravy. I tweaked it a little bit, but it's based on his recipe, and I will give him full credit. He is the man. I mean, everything I see at Chuck Underwood's website is really good. So that's my gravy man for today. And it's called the best vegan gravy ever. And I call it Chuck Underwood's best vegan gravy ever. And I show you, it goes really quick. And I show you also a few pictures from our Thanksgiving, okay? So we start with a pot, we heat it. Here is Addie, by the way. She's going to carriage riding pretty soon, but we have a little time to show you something. The next weeks will be a holiday theme. I'm making Christmas cookies, and we'll add some more recipes to the few Christmas cookies I have on file already. But we will also have other stuff in between, because I know at some point at least I get really tired of the sweet stuff and I want to have something good to eat. So, but Christmas cookies are a theme for the next weeks, okay? If you watch the Tater Cowgirls. Alright, so we let that heat. We put in and I tweaked it a little bit, so I can tell you he starts with the dry ingredients to get browned or get some aroma for half a minute. I know I'm not doing that. I always get lumps in my gravy when I do that, and I hate lumps. So this is the first thing I tweaked. I start with the liquid ingredients. Yay! 2 cups of vegan broth. Then we have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You see what I do here? Yeah. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then we have half a teaspoon kitchen bouquet. Well, we put that at the rest. We put that really at the very end. Okay, it's our soy sauce. And now whisk in, and that's another another difference. He's using whole wheat flour. I use rice flour because rice flour doesn't lump. I learned that from Mary McDougall, by the way. So I use that one. We pour it in. You want to stir. Okay. Then we use 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast and put it in. Oops. We use this garlic powder. Half a teaspoon garlic powder. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Whisk your life away, Eddie. Then we have 1 teaspoon onion powder. Okay. Now we do, and I think that's the genius on his sauce. Everybody knows me. I hate mustard. I almost never use mustard, but in that sauce, you gotta use mustard. So I have half a teaspoon mustard here. I need. Half a teaspoon. Whisk, whisk, whisk. And half a teaspoon kitchen bouquet for the color. Jesus. Okay. We were decorating yesterday. My back hurts a little, but other than that, I needed some exercise yesterday after eating all this stuff on Thanksgiving. I mean, I had all good stuff. I didn't eat meat or anything, but I ate like too much, you know. So I needed some exercise yesterday, and going up those ladders and putting those garlands on and lights at the DreamPower Ranch was just what I needed. Okay, and now my other twist, as it was a turkey, a Thanksgiving dinner, I put on, this is a 1/4 teaspoon poultry seasoning. But you wanna have the turkey flavor, and a 1/4 teaspoon marjoram. Marjoram, to me, the earthy marjoram, that's what, you put this all in, is what makes it taste like gravy, because it gives me the, you know, marjoram, the earthy taste you get from real turkey gravy. Okay, that's it. Let it cook for a while. Oh my God, it looks so good. It smells good, right? You should see it. So this will thicken. You can always put a little bit more, but it's just perfect if you pull that down a little. Let me do my gravy taste. Yeah, see? Put the finger here, and it stays. See that? It doesn't run. It's my gravy taster, and it tastes good. All right, this is our short cooking. See that gravy? Let me see. Let me make you experience the gravy train here. Oh, it's good. It's really good. It tastes like real turkey gravy. Chuck Underwood, 2 thumbs up. You have the best gravy for Thanksgiving, and I have a lot of gravy. I love the navy bean gravy. I love the golden gravy, the McDougal gravy. I love cheese gravy. This is, I want to swim in that gravy. That's so good it is, okay? I wish you all a good end of the Thanksgiving weekend and a great start of the holiday season. Woohoo! I'm going to decorate the house outside now, our house. And I think next weekend we get the tree. We go up usually to the Santa Cruz Mountains and cut our own tree, and we leave enough space. So where we cut the tree, they tell you exactly where you cut it, that the tree grows again. So we are not gonna destroy a tree or kill a tree. We just cut the top and get a huge tree. Anyway, you get pictures from all of that, and I hope you have fun and you have family, and you enjoy your Thanksgiving weekend. Bye. And as I say in California, peace out.